Okay, now I have to remember where I parked. Hey y'all. Hey vlog fam. It's your girl Princess, back with another vlog. And we starting out on the move, y'all. Today is Tuesday, May 30th? May 31st. Tuesday, May 31st, I believe. And I am at my internship site. I just finished doing my fingerprinting, and I'm gonna head back to my campus. So this is gonna be a busy week, y'all. Let me get in my vehicle so I can kind of give you guys a rundown. Whew. Okay, y'all. So, I be trying to hide my like identifying information of where I work at. But anyway, that's why I'm holding my shirt like this, so y'all disregard. I'm not crazy, okay? So yes, I just finished doing my fingerprinting, and I'm gonna be working in a hospital setting, so I'm super excited about that, because this kind of takes me back to my roots of when I was in nursing school, working as a student nurse in a level 1 trauma center. So I'm really excited about reconnecting back to the side of me that loves direct patient care. So y'all, you gotta be looking out for me, okay? Excuse the noise in the background, I'm sorry, I'm sitting in the parking lot. So this week is going to be a lot. It's going to be very busy for me. I'm going to try to share as much of it with you guys as possible. We're going to a wedding, y'all. I'm definitely taking y'all to the wedding. Remember, I told you guys that one of my classmates is getting married. It's a 3-day event. She is Pakistani and she is also Muslim. So it's going to be full of culture, and I'm just too excited. I'm doing some dances in the wedding, so I need to go shopping for my traditional outfit. Excuse me. I need to go shopping for my traditional outfit for her wedding, so I'm going to take you guys along with that. I need to do some stuff for the business. I need to package, create content, y'all. I'm behind on that. I told y'all I wanted to launch June 10th. Cross your fingers for me, because I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work out. And I have a paper, y'all. I have a paper due on Saturday, and I'm gonna be at a wedding 3 days this week: Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I gotta squeeze in some time to write this paper, okay? But I'm just doing a quick check-in with y'all. Wanted to say hi. Hey y'all. Hey. So I have not picked up the camera. I don't know, it's been a day or two since I've recorded, but it's been busy. It's been so hectic. So I literally spent the whole day yesterday looking for my outfit for the wedding on Saturday. That took forever. I was supposed to be writing my paper yesterday also, and that didn't happen. And then this morning, I got up and was running around everywhere trying to figure out what I was going to do to my hair. I did do my hair, so it's under here, it's setting, got her tied down so it can be nice and sleek. So I did that this morning, and then I went to go pick up my husband from work. Sorry, y'all. It's about 3 o'clock right now. This 3-day wedding event starts today at 6. And I'm part of the crew that's going to be bringing in the bride. So I got to be there early. I got to be there on time. But I still need to write this paper, y'all. This paper is due Saturday. Anyway. So I've just been kind of like running all over the place, just trying to get things done, running a lot of errands. And I really did mean to show you guys the process of me trying on the traditional Pakistani outfits, because I thought that would have been fun. But y'all, I was in such a rush, and I was like so flustered by it that I forgot to turn on the camera. It literally was more stressful than I expected it to be. So that's why I didn't share that with you guys. I'm sorry. I thought it would be fun too. But we about to get ready to go to day 1 soon. So y'all gonna see my first outfit. And of course, I'm gonna take you.
And mine.
Well, you're going with mommy on Saturday, baby. You go on Saturday with your powder on your face. So you guys get to see all my outfits, and of course I'm going to take you guys with me through this whole event. I think it's going to be so much fun. So guys, remember I told you that I was going to a Pakistani wedding. This is day 1 of 3. And y'all, these are my babes. This is Jasmine and this is Dee. I talk about my pod sisters. These are my pod sisters. And look, y'all, we have henna. Dee doesn't have henna. Dee doesn't have henna. So, okay, so y'all, I feel cute or whatever. Yeah,
I didn't know. But we were done. But I know there's so much going on today.
I'm just trying to show y'all the beat because I haven't done my makeup in so long. I forgot that I'm actually good at it. So
you ain't got beat like she got beat.
Yeah, something. Yeah, Sharon, y'all cute. Look, we got the eye. We got the eye.
It's a book. It's not a beat. It's a book.
Y'all are so serious. I'm hungry though. Like I cannot wait
For the food, right? You missed yesterday. Yesterday they had really, really good food and spicy. I don't know if you eat spicy.
I love spicy food. I'm married to an African and I am Creole.
It
What
was
do you mean?
so good. You missed it. I got seconds.
Girl, I'm about to eat, honey.
Where is it? Over there on this table. It's 3 ladies. Yeah, it's 3 ladies.
And here's
So when one person get up,
Put
just
your
sit
other
down.
hand down, good.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was talking. You see this wrist action here?
That is really cute.
I know.
Why didn't get my wrist done?
Because it's
My regular, I'm talking things for better now. Oh, things for better now. Oh, way better now. Oh, it's my regular, I'm talking things for better now. Oh, things for better now.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Today is June 5th and it's been a very, very busy week between my friend's wedding and schoolwork. It's been busy. So as far as my business is concerned, I'm kind of behind. Remember I told you guys that I wanted to possibly have everything ready for my website and launch by June 10th. That would be this week. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, and I'm okay with that. I may push it out to a couple more days, like the 15th, but that's why I didn't release it to the public. Like I didn't announce it on my website or on my Instagram or my business Facebook page. I haven't announced it anywhere. I just have on there that new products are dropping in June, and to subscribe to my newsletter to figure out exactly when. And excuse my appearance, y'all. I know I look disheveled, okay? But this is Sunday. No makeup on, lazy day. I still have on my pajamas. It is what it is, okay? Yeah, so today I need to clean up my house because it's a mess. Because it's a mess, okay? Because it's been a busy week. And I need to try to catch up on business stuff. I'm just behind on everything, okay? So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So that means this vlog won't be uploaded today. I'll probably upload it either tomorrow or Tuesday. I'm just running behind on everything, y'all. So yeah, that is that. And y'all look at my henna. It is so pretty. I'm so sad that it's gonna go away soon, but it's gorgeous. So my fingertips too. So pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the clips of the wedding. I got as much as I could. I didn't record as much as I wanted to because I was on bridesmaid duty. I was being shoveled around to help, which was awesome. It was an amazing experience. But what I was able to capture, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So anyway, I got a package and a pimple. But I got a package and I want to open it and unbox it with you guys. So let's go get my package. Okay, per usual, I have y'all propped up in a very awkward place. So hopefully y'all can see me okay. And ignore all the clutter in the background. We're gonna clean that up today, okay? Okay, so remember that collection I told you guys that I am working on that's very close to my heart? Well, this is the packaging, or shall I say the vessels, for this particular collection. So let's cross our fingers and let's hope and pray that nothing arrived broken, okay? So you guys get to see my first impression. Okay, so I have my card and my invoice. Oh, I forgot that I ordered lids too. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Now look at this. So I ordered 2 boxes of these. I only ordered 24. So this collection is going to be very small to begin with because I just want to see how people are going to respond to it. But oh my God. Oh my God. They're even more pretty in person. Look at this. I don't think you guys can see. Like the camera is not doing, the camera isn't doing it justice. Hold on. So here it is. This is the vessel. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Just absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm gonna check the second box. I have 1 broken vessel. Correction, I have 2 broken vessels. I don't understand them. Like, they need to do a better job at the way they package this stuff. Like, they just put them in the cardboard boxes and there's no other protective packaging around it. I don't get it, but that's okay. I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna send it to them. And then lastly, I ordered these cork lids. I've always been really obsessed with these lids. And so I just think it's going to add a nice touch to the candle. I think it's gonna fit the aesthetic that I'm trying to create. So love it, completely obsessed. I just gotta email these folks and tell them that 2 of my vessels arrived broken, but I'm very happy. I'm sorry, y'all, I know the lighting is bad in here, but yeah, very happy. I'm finally getting around to packaging up my body butter cream. I made this in a previous video. If you're interested in seeing my process, then check out my previous vlogs. I'll try my best to remember to link it in the cards and in the description box. I was gifted this fragrance oil from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It is the Blackberry and Magnolia fragrance oil and it smells amazing. This will be my Southern Girl body butter cream and you guys are gonna love it. It smells so good. I don't have a filling machine, so I do everything by hand, and I'm using the piping bags because it is clean, it's neat, and it just makes the filling process easier. And as you can see, I'm weighing my jars as I fill them with the product. One, just to make sure that I don't overfill my jars and that my formula makes the exact amount of jars that I need. And then two, because as a business owner, when you're pricing your products, you want to make sure that you are doing so accurately, accounting for how much it costs to make exactly the amount of product that you're putting in your jar, so that your profit margins work for your business, so that you can eventually pay yourself one day. So just accuracy and making sure that you measure out your products, and also for your customers, you want to make sure that they get what they pay for. So yeah, and I got this label wizard from Amazon. If you guys are interested in it, I will leave a link to it in the description box. I used to label everything freehand, but this has made everything look much more nice and sleek and clean, and I love it. I'm a huge fan of it, and it's very inexpensive. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link so that you can check it out. So I'm finishing up Southern Girl, and I ended up doing everything else off camera just because I wanted to get in my zone. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add Cocoa Cashmere, which is my most popular body butter scent, to this lineup as well. But yeah, I finished everything, and I'm loving the way that they turned out. I love to hear you guys' feedback on what you think about my label design and everything. And as always, I truly appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my vlogs with me. Remember that you are perfectly imperfect. Love all of you, because God does, and so do I. And I'll see you guys in my very next vlog. And until then, y'all be blessed.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.